Have you been searching for the perfect home for the next stage of your life? Welcome home to Sawyer's Mill Ranches. Hi, I'm Jamie, and I'm excited to introduce you to the community that has it all. Affordability, first floor living, and low maintenance lifestyle in a peaceful setting just minutes from I-75. Come on in, I'd love to show you around. At Sawyer's Mill Ranches, you'll have the comfort and ease of building with Ryan Homes. We'll be with you every step of the way, and your new home will have everything you need from the day you move in, even your stainless steel appliances. Tucked away from the rest of your home, your owner's suite is a space just for you. A walk-in closet and an ensuite bath give you a little luxury and privacy. These homes are designed for easy living for active adults with wider doors and hallways, walk-in showers with seats, and more. Lawn maintenance and snow removal is even included. Spend more time doing the things you love instead, like enjoying the open-air park with benches and dog park. Get breakfast with friends at Cracker Barrel or Bob Evans. All your favorite shopping and dining is nearby, with Kroger Marketplace and Meijer just a few minutes away. For recreation, if you're a golfer, Browns Run Golf Course is minutes from your door. Or stay active with silver sneakers at the nearby Atrium YMCA. So are you ready to take the next step? Click the orange Join the List button to become a VIP member and be notified of exciting updates.